So if you're looking for an LED red light therapy mask, then this is the one you need by iRestore. What I love about this mask is that it's lightweight. It has the little magnetic charging cord that comes with it, so you can just pop it right back on there. This you can take with you, the controller. You can either, it has the little clip on the back, so you can attach it to your shirt, attach it to your jeans, put it in your pocket, and just take it with you. I love that there's the 10-minute timer and it automatically turns off at the 10 minutes, so you don't have to worry about it going over and hurting your skin or anything. You don't have to worry, that's taken care of. Let's see, the mask is light and comfortable. The straps are comfy, they're just little lightweight Velcro straps. They work great, just put them on, there's no discomfort at all. I like how this is for your eyes and it's going to block out any of the laser lights. So again, that's taken care of. Let's see, I like that. So it comes with your little cloth here that you can clean this with after each use. And I also like that it comes with this little cool bag as your storage bag, travel bag, you know, just put it right in there, take it with you. Because once you're on a consistent schedule with doing this, you don't want to do anything that's going to get in the way of that. You want to keep doing it. They recommend 10 minutes a day, 3 to 5 days a week. So I want to keep doing that consistently. I know it'll show great results if you do what you're supposed to consistently. So I'm definitely going to do that. So if you're like me in your 40s or 50s and you have any issues with your skin, then you definitely need this. This is awesome. My husband got me this. This is a great gift. Your mom will love it, sister, whoever. This is amazing. You guys have got to get one of these. It's awesome. I highly recommend this. Now go get yours. You're going to thank me for this.